So this is a VEL-LOC, and it is a hook tape that is shaped where the heads or the very tips of the hooks, rather than the conventional hook, they're actually tiny mushroom shaped heads on the top of the stem. So the loop sort of engages around each of those mushroom shaped hooks. So when you see a tape that's referred to as mushroom hook, it's very often the VEL-LOC. And this is available, this is quite a wide, this is 175mm wide. This is used, this particular type is used to replace the hook tape on a sanding pad, or people make their own sanding blocks. And the adhesive on the back of this particular version is the acrylic. It's very, very tacky, and it also withstands the high temperatures that you would get if you were using it for that purpose. But it is available as standard widths from sort of 20mm up to this 175mm. So anywhere you see VEL-LOC, it will refer to this mushroom hook system. You will also find that when you see extreme strength tapes, the hook system will be this VEL-LOC, this mushroom hook. These work with velours as well as woven loops, but the extreme strength side comes when you use it with a woven loop, simply because those loops just wrap themselves around those mushroom heads, so it is very, very strong as a closure. Velours will grip, but they won't offer the same strength as the velours. So there you have it. You can get this with various different adhesives, but PS18 generally, because PS18 sort of covers most substrates, it'll work on plastics as well as wood and metal. Most of the time you'll find this with PS18, but it can come with any of the other adhesives. So there we go. That is your VEL-LOC or mushroom hook.